guys, it's Pinto. Welcome to my channel. Summer, usually people think of camping or going for a vacation with their friends. This year I thought of doing gardening for the first time. I did have a bit of experience back in India, but I tried my best, and along with my roommates Devika and Lionel, we started digging up the ground and then started planting the seeds. Soil was good. It was black soil, so it helped a lot. So I didn't add a lot of black soil, which we buy it from the market or Walmart or any other stores. I added a bit of manure, which I got it from Walmart and also from dollaroma. Like, I got the tools from dollaroma. First thing what I did was I digged up the garden and made sure that it's ready to for the gardening. Then I went to No-frills as well as dollaroma to get the seeds. So you get the seeds from dollaroma as well as Walmart or any other retail. You get both the kinds, regular ones and also the organic ones. I bought mix of both. It's been a month since I planted these. That's green beans as well as the yellow beans. This is a weed coming in. I didn't clean or do anything for a week now, but it rained for 2 days yesterday and they were fresh today, so I didn't water the plants. These are probably the beets, and you have the broccoli, you have the lettuce over there. Got the mint leaves here. We just got a mint from Safeway and just planted it. It was dry initially, but then after a while it looks good now. Cilantro or coriander, as we say in India. So there is a lot of weed. I didn't clean it for a week now, and it rained for 2 days, so there's a lot of weed that's been there. So I need to clear it off and make it perfect. Initially I thought of making it only here, but then we bought a lot of seeds, so I extended my plan. I made it this side too, because here the sunlight is very less compared to that one. There's still a lot of weed in between that I need to pick it up, but as of now this is what has been done.
Oh, there's a lot of beans eaten. There's a lot of beans.
So after 2 months, so it's been 2 months. So I got the beans here, yellow beans and as well as green ones. So it's going good. Got the zucchini over there. So got the carrot here. Got the mint leaves. Need to clean up a bit. It's July 25th. It's almost 2 months and a week later. So got the cilantro, very good fragrance, but I need to cut this because it's been growing a lot, and got the flowers on the top now. This is the tomato plants. There's a lot of weed underneath. I need to clear that out today. raining, I wanted to just show you guys the beets. We call it beetroot in India. So this is one I took. Probably gonna use it for dosa as a stuffing. And that's the garden right now on August 16th. We got a lot of beets, broccoli, corn, which is yet to grow. A good amount of zucchini. Only mistake that I made was when I should have put it in a pot on the first weekend of May, and then should have put it on the ground. But I just planted the seeds at the third week, fourth week of May. Mistake is like everything is like closer, like broccoli and stuff. That's one mistake that I've learned from this. Next time it's gonna be better. So, new update, August 19th, and we already are getting the broccoli. Got a good amount of plants, so hopefully in a week or so we'll have a lot of broccoli. Okay, we got the zucchini. This is the first one. Jesus Christ. Number 3. We have small ones here, but not right now. I'm not gonna pick it up. Just have to press it. Number 2. Is it a cucumber or something? Yeah, I think so.
don't know what that is.
I think it's a cucumber. So it's started. Okay. I cut the zucchinis. I got 4 right now. We have still 3, 4 over there, but it's gonna be growing. Well, these are the bigger ones. I didn't imagine that the zucchinis will be this big. So by the end of this month, we might have a lot of produce. So got the tomatoes. I didn't know which kind of tomatoes it was, but looks like a grape or a cherry tomato. I should have given the support for this tomato plant, but I didn't, and when it rained heavily it fell, but still it is alive and still can be used. Probably the last time I'm shooting it. It's been 3 months, and I'm going back to home, so I won't be able to shoot it any further, but that was a very good experience. First time I'm doing gardening in Canada, and it's good when you get the fruit of your effort. October the 8th, and probably the last day. I'm already plucking everything up. So most of the things are dried up. End of gardening 2023.